Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of your IT. In this class, 7th class, you are going to start the first chapter, that is your number system. But do not confuse with this number system, as we are already studying the number systems in the mathematics. This number system is actually computer number system. The computer, as we all know, understands only binary numbers, zeros and ones, but this number system, the concept of this number system will introduce you about the basic types of number system which we use in the computers. Before starting this number system, what actually is number system? I just want to give a short introduction about that. A number system is the writing system used for expressing a value using the digits or symbols. That means a system which is used to express a value. And for expressing these values, we can use any digit or symbols. In the earlier days, we used to count using the sticks, fingers, pebbles and all these things. But these methods were not adequate. So, with the passage of time, many number systems were introduced and they were decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. In this chapter, we are going to define all these four number systems and even their conversions. But before starting that, let me tell you the number of distinct digits in a number system. That means the total number of distinct values or symbols or digits we have in a number system is known as its base or radix. Okay, so let's start with the introduction of this chapter. Before that, starting with the chapter, you just have this activity portion. What means were used for counting during the early days? This you can answer on your own. What all methods were used for counting in the early days in the ancient period? I want you to note it down. The second one is name the mathematicians who discovered zero. I hope all of you are knowing his name. He was very famous Indian mathematician. I just want you to find out his name and fill it over here. Okay. Now let's start with the number system. Number system consists of set of values and these set of values, these number systems are broadly categorized into these four names which we have discussed earlier. Okay. And then starting with your decimal number system. The decimal number system is the most common one which we generally use for expressing any digit or any number. The positive and even the negative values are included in this decimal number systems. Nowadays the number system which we use for day-to-day life, that is your decimal number system. Decimal number system has the base 10. As I've already told you, that the number of distinct digits in a number system is called its base. In the decimal number system, we use 10 different digits. That is starting from 0 to 9. That is why we call it as decimal. Deci means 10. So it has 10 different values, 10 distinct values. That is why we call it as decimal number system. And of course, its use is in a day-to-day life. A normal mathematical calculations, addition, subtraction, everywhere we use the decimal number system. A small example is given to you. 642. Suppose this is your number. Ones, tens and hundreds. I hope you all are familiar with this concept. So in this computer number system, the place value of the value which is there on the ones place is known as the least significant value. Because its significance is the least. And as we move towards the right, the digits goes on multiplying with the base 10. 10 se multiply hota jata hai, and so the value also keeps on increasing. The rightmost one is known as the most significant value. Is it okay? And just go through the concept or the description given in your book. And after this, the second one which we have is your binary number system. We all have heard about the binary number system, as the computer is familiar with only one language, that is the machine language. Okay, and this machine language uses the binary number system. In this binary bi means 2. So this number system includes only two symbols, that is 0 and 1. And where do we use it? In all the computer and digital systems. They understand only the binary number system. इनके अलावा they don't understand any other number system. So binary number system is basically designed or basically used for computers and digital systems. In this, 0 stands for off and 1 stands for on. Computer is an electronic machine or any digital system. Electronic machine, it has only on and off. So this 0 is off and 1 stands for on. That's all for today now. I just want you to go through the descriptions of this binary number system and the decimal number system given in your book. We'll revise it again once and we'll discuss about the interconversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary in the next session. Thank you.